Hello and welcome to the channel. In this morning's episode, is it still morning? Yes, just barely. In this morning episode, I am going to talk to you about what was just delivered. I'm not going to show you me doing all this work because I have a lot of work to do. I wasn't anticipating this today, but let me show you what happened to me this morning. Excuse the mess you might see in the front yard. It's Texas. And I wasn't trying to water the front yard, but I was out in the backyard harvesting some callaloo and some greens to make a little lunch because it's almost lunchtime. And I kept hearing this truck. I thought it was the fire truck because I've had to help my neighbor a few times. And I looked and didn't see a fire truck. But when I came in the house and went to the front door, I saw this pile of wood chips just sitting here. I ordered a chip drop at the end of August. It's past Labor Day. I was not expecting to get a chip drop, but I'm happy to see it. So let's go take a look. It is a pretty big mound of chips, and I'm sure my neighbors are going to be pretty angry because I told them to put it right here on the curb and not block anything. Just plop it right here in front of my house. And so I've got a huge mound of wood chips that I need to start moving. And it looks like this end over here is beginning to break down. And this is the freshest part right here that they might have chopped down today or recently. But I've got to get these wood chips moved. I'm going to start moving them today. I'm the only one home. I took the day off, so I was relaxing, just doing a few things here and there until I looked out the front door. So, got to get my work clothes on. I got things to do. When I walked towards the front of the house, the door was open because I open my doors when I'm home just to air the house out. And I saw this huge pile of wood chips. I was not expecting to get any wood chips anytime soon. Normally, chip drop takes a bit of time to come to you. And I ordered these chip drops a few weeks ago and was not expecting to get chips, but I do. I have beautiful chips, and I will be moving these chips starting in just a little bit. I'm not going to show you all me moving these wood chips because I have a video of me receiving a chip drop before, and it takes a lot of time to move all these chips as well as try to create content. But I will show you the aftermath because my garden needs more wood. It normally takes weeks to receive a chip drop, and this did not take very long. It's right after Labor Day, and I want to say I ordered this on the 30th of August, I think. But yeah, chips, lots of chips. Got to get to work. I'm beat. I look wrecked. I feel wrecked. But let me show you what I've been able to accomplish in the few hours I've been working out here today. Sometimes, as gardeners, we may feel as if we are really not accomplishing anything. The weather has gotten to us, the pests have gotten to us, and by the time the summer is over, many of us say, you know what, I need a break. I'm not doing any more. But for me, I garden year round. Even though I was not expecting a chip drop today, today was a very strenuous day, but I've been able to make some headway and feel an accomplishment out of what I've been able to do. So let me show you. This is the cut flower garden. This is where the gate used to be, right here. And I was able to lay wood chip all throughout the cut flower garden today. It may not seem like much, but I have a motto: do a little and do it often. This is what I was able to accomplish today. I was outside for many hours, and this is the result. I'm tired. I feel beat. Now, not only did I lay wood chip here, I also laid wood chip in my front flower bed. I've got three small flower, well, one large flower bed and 2 small flower beds as well as around my tree. And I covered all that front yard space with wood chip. So I did a great amount of work today. Tomorrow will be another day. So let me show you how much I've chipped away on the pile. Here is the pile. It doesn't look like much, but I have chipped away on the pile. This pile used to be to right about here. So all of the wood chip from here to there has been moved. And you can see that I have been really whacking at it. I'm tired, I'm wrecked, and I'm going inside. This is my front tree that I'm going to be replacing. I put a ring of wood chip around. Still working on my front flower bed, but I put a heavy amount of chips in the front. Oops, sorry about that, y'all. I'm falling down. I'm so tired. I'm tripping, not falling. But this is, excuse my shadow, this is what I've done along the front flower bed. Lots and lots of wood chips. I'm hoping that it will break down not too much. And again, I apologize for my shadow, but I hope it breaks down significantly enough to where my bulbs, my spring bulbs, will come out of here in the springtime and not be too much, not be buried too much. So we'll see how that goes. On flower beds, again, excuse my shadow. I'm working on some flower beds along the edge of my driveway. I'm going to extend this more. This is too small. I want to make it larger. I'm trying to get rid of some more grass. And here's another small section that I put in. I'm going to be enlarging this as well. And hopefully in spring, I'll be able to do something with the front yard, which will take out some more of the grass, put in more flowers, hopefully something that will be native so I won't have to do a lot of watering. But that is all I'm going to show you all today. I'm exhausted. I feel like I'm going to fall all the way out. I need a nice cool shower. I've been drinking water. Don't worry, everybody, if you're concerned. I've been drinking lots of water. I have eaten some fruit. That's pretty much all I wanted to eat today was fruit. So today was a fruit day. So I want to say thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me today in my brief working wood chip spread. You all didn't see me spread it because it takes a lot to actually create content and then show you all what we're doing. But this is what I've done so far. And I probably will not come back and show you all the food forest until it is done. And that's going to take me quite some time. You all saw how big that pile of chips are. So I'm thinking it's going to take me probably about a week, maybe 2 weeks to get those wood chips spread along the back food forest. So until then, thank you for watching. Hit that like button, share the video, leave me a comment, and I hope to see you either in my kitchen or my food forest real soon. Bye for now.